This is the FPGA board newly received from Element 14 for the road test, just about to be unboxed. So I have my knife, which I will use. It's quite a lightweight box, well stuck together. Hopefully the insides are as exciting as the outsides. More exciting than the outsides, if I can get it open. More difficult than doing the road test. Well packaged by UPS. There we go. As always, you've got your paper packaging for easy disposal. There we go, easily disposed of. And then the inner box also easily disposed of. Inside the bag also easily disposed of, is the nice small FPGA board. So if we open that up, see what we've got. Looks like I'm going to have to provide my own cable. I don't see much use. I'll keep that for the moment. There'll be something on it. And here's the board itself. So fairly standard. Oops, get the right way around. Oh no, that way around. So a row of on-off switches there for input, and a sequence of 7-segment LEDs for user interfacing output, a few push buttons, and then some extra I/O connections, and then all the other gubbins for connecting to the PC. And then presumably that in the middle there is the FPGA board itself. Yes, very good. Let's see if we can get it to work then.